front of me is LENOVO Tab Plus 11.5, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by accessing devices settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on General Settings. Now select Languages and Input. On-screen keyboard over here, and finally Gboard. After that, just click on text correction and use this switcher next to show suggestion strip to activate it. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, mine is visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!